So, guys, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning, depending on where you're watching from. I'm doing a photo shoot of my friend on his YouTube channel. So that is why I'm here. And his name is Aka. Aka what?
KT.
Aka KT. So Aka KT is another great upcoming YouTuber. So watch out for this guy. He's going to do great things. So we have our camera here. We're going to do some little shots for him to just to create some thumbnail. That's what we're going to do. So welcome to Shimaveri TV. Yeah. All right. So let's hit into the shooting. Okay. So stand. 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 Ooh. So the first shoot. Okay. Ready? Again.
Professional.
Better soup na money kill am o. Better soup na money. Better soup na money. Better soup na money. Another style. Another star, 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 another star. Okay. Another star, another star, another star. Another star, another star. Another star, another star. Okay, guys, in case you're just joining, I'm doing a YouTube photo shoot, and this photo shoot is just for me to. It's my friend KT, Aka KT. He's upcoming YouTuber. He's just doing those photo shoot for his own thumbnail on his YouTube channel. So I'm here to take him some fine, good pictures. So watch out for this guy. Check him out. So a lot of you, when you change. A lot of us, when we want to do thumbnail, we'll be looking for pictures, and you know what he's doing is most of like a tutorial, so he needs all those pictures. Not people like us when we go on the field making videos. You need to just travel and then use those videos as your thumbnail. So sometimes it's always good to go to the studio and then get your thumbnail done. But let me know where you're watching me from, so that I'll say hi to you and I'll say hi to you, say hi to your country, and then say hi to everybody. All right? So I'm sorry, the light here is disturbing the. But don't watch the light, watch us. Watch the action. All right? Watch the action, watch the video, and let's know what you feel. Okay, so guys, I've changed the name of my YouTube channel, Shimaveri TV, so like Benno Family TV. I've changed the name, so don't be confused. Welcome. How you doing? I hope you're good. Let's go, bro. Let's do this, bro. I have to edit one guy.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Move away from the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All this kind. 3 steps too.
No, he did. Sunday, someone should make a video of 5 ways of losing heaven. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Yes, no.
Guys,
So guys, so far we are making progress, and we are doing thumbnail photo shoot for YouTube. All right. His name is Aka KT. He's upcoming YouTuber, and he does more of tutorials. So you need all those clean shots, reaction, like say how to make money, ooh, how to do this, you know. So thank you guys. Comment. Let me see what you think. Comment on the comment below. Share this video, please. Thank you. All right. Thumbnail. Don't make person do like see.
hey.
You dey shake. Hey, you dey shake.
Yes.
You dey shake. You dey shake.
Okay.
All right. So I'm using my R5 here to do the shoot, and I love what I do all the time. Really hard. Like that.
Okay.
So in there now. Now, not a winner. As not a winner. Going around, you can do with that. So good quiet. Like the hand.
Okay.
Chain. So he's changing to come. He's coming for the next shot, guys. How are you? I have a video on this channel, 15 hours journey night bus. 15 hours journey night bus from Lagos to Benue State. So please go and watch the video, share the video. You see the experience, how I traveled at night, midnight bus. 15 hours I was on the road from Lagos to Benue State, and my experience, you know what I saw, what I did not see. I cannot go and lie that when I was traveling there was an attack. There was no attack. The journey was smooth, but if you wanted to be sure, go and watch it. 15 hours journey, night bus from Lagos to Benue State. Go to just once you go, you see the video. Watch my videos, then you see what I have to offer for you guys. I have a lot coming your way, all right? I have a lot, so please stay tuned. Don't give up. Keep watching Shimaverin TV. They shake, they move. Okay. Move away from the background. No, that's tie. Ah. It's not that style. The guy don't finish, so the guy not get style again. He not get style again. He not get style. You can do like this. See, you can do like this. Down. There's another one you can do like this. Nigga.
Okay.
No. Makaruma. The one you can do like this. Or you can do as if you're doing a self. You understand? When you want to explain about making selfie videos to create, use your phone and do that one. Thank you guys for watching. That is Aka KT. Check his YouTube channel to watch plenty tutorials that he has. Funny enough, some of us will deal with reality when you are doing travel videos and vlogs, yeah. You deal with reality, what is happening. Now, lifestyle, this is my lifestyle. This is part of me. You don't know, this is what I do. I'm a bad. I'm not a bad, I'm a good photographer. Everybody say they are bad, They are bad dancing photographer. No, I'm not a bad dancing photographer. I'm a good dancing photographer. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Sometimes good people are called demons. You say that guy is a demon drummer.
I'm not a demon photographer. I'm an angel photographer. I'm an angel photographer. Now, you should do a silver.
Okay.
Now that you can type, which content should I create? See, you're sleeping yet.
I'm up for a change.
Yeah, change. This guy is going to pay me good money because he came with about almost how many clothes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Imagine. Just for photo shoot, you came with all those color clothes. The guy does not want to take class. You know, this YouTube is something that we need to take it serious. At times we just, let's just do it. I want the money. And if you want the money, then put in the work now. If you want the money, you put in the work. All right? So, this light is making my video to look somehow. I don't like it. How can I do this light? Guys, can somebody say something? Say something. Comment and say something. Just now you can do, just you can either put your, if you're a lady, I would have said put your hand like this. But as a man, you know, what? The other one you do like this. You want to cumbersome everything. That's how we roll, guys. So when you do that, then machine. Jerome. Do a jingy. Can you?
There's no style going to show come on, man. Oh, man.
Okay, nah.
Don't know.
Sure, okay. Our government bad, oh. They don't want to get to my job. Oh. Guys, this guy has a lot of clothes, man. He's changing. It's crazy. Damn. Oh my God, man. YouTube for life. YouTube for life, guys. We're here. We love YouTube, man. Upgrading, I've been upgrading. I've got reading. Please, on YouTube, I'm so quiet. Tell YouTube, say, I love him. Oh, my mess. Okay, I'm going to create this song, yeah? So listen and be blessed. Oh, my love for YouTube. No be here, oh, hey. My love for YouTube. My love for YouTube. My love for YouTube. I love you, YouTube. I love you, YouTube. Hey, I love you, YouTube. You know, sometimes when you're in the studio, you gotta play, yeah? You know, you gotta play, and play, and play, and play. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this, guys. Let's shoot this shoot. Let me snap you. Futuma shine.
Blah, 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 blah.
So now you turn your back.
I'm going to. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
So I'll toggle. I think you should be a swab. Who is that, man? I got a call, guys. Hey, are you here? Okay, you also here.
Então, vamos ver. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, man.
Okay.
I know. Bullshit.
Why YouTube? Yeah, over YouTube. Mothers carry your channel.
How big?
Sure.
Abi, do you want to snap more?
Ah.
Okay, so guys, we're done for the shoot. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching our videos. God bless you. And we are working tirelessly to bring you good content. It's going to take time, but last, when we finish, you two, you will rejoice. So, content creating is life. Some of us, we love what we do. We love our job. Sometimes it does not look easy, but we have to do it. I will join now my class here. So let me just stay here and do this. So, hi guys, how are you? Please watch my video, my latest video, travel vlog from Lagos to Benue State. Midnight, oh. We drove throughout the night. It was scary. If you don't have mind, please don't try it though. But if you have mind, you can try it. Yeah, just try it in the journey. I'm done with the photo shoot, so that's why I'm just sitting here doing one or two. For those videos. Hello, ma. Good afternoon. I be good evening, ma. I see your YouTube is doing well. Yeah, I've changed the name. Yeah, I just changed the name of my YouTube because I want to explore. So that's why I've changed the name of my YouTube. Yeah. I hope the name is fine. We're still in my language, but the meaning of the name is focus. That's the meaning of the name. And I was going to send you a chat because I'm doing a YouTube training with some people. So with time, I will invite you to, at least it's online, you give them some encouragement. You know, I'm trying to set up my channel to look more professional so that we'll make this money. Hello, Faith. How are you? Thank you for joining. How you doing, Faith? So I'm trying to make this channel look more professional and good for people to watch. And I love your videos. So your boy is in school now. That's good. Yeah, man. This money we must make it to. This money we must make it. Yeah. And you know me, I love YouTube and I love the energy on YouTube. And I have a WhatsApp group which I'm training people, and there are about 50 people on that WhatsApp group. So sometimes some of them are serious, some of them are not serious. But all the same, we keep making progress. So now I just finished taking my friend's pictures. He wants to, what do you want to do again? Create thumbnail for his YouTube channel. So that's right. Yeah, 50 people counting. So what I did, I advertised on Facebook. Like I posted some videos, pictures, like if they need what do you call it? If they need free, I'll be doing free training about YouTube, free classes. So a lot of them they join, and we are seeing results already. So that's what I decided to do. But now I'm not in Lagos at the moment, so I travel home to see my family. So hope you are coming for the class for this what do you call it? This event for this evening, the next few minutes. Thank you so much, ma. Are you coming for the class? Thank you so much. You know, sometimes we have to impact this knowledge to other people so that we feel what we're feeling. They're going to use like type C. It has been moved to tomorrow, but they said it's today, according to the message. They said it's today. Well, we'll still check and see, but because they say it's today, I don't know. Well, when it's 5 o'clock, I will still check and see if is it now the one they sent on the 3rd. This is not what's my phone was. Let me check my phone and see. Let me check my phone and see. You are God. Okay, let me check if they have sent a message to me too. I'm checking Gmail. Okay. Why would they push the stuff to tomorrow now? Person don't have something to do. But me, I have not seen any messages. There's no message in my inbox right now as we speak. So I don't know. All right. Since this one I got on the 3rd, this is the one I got on the 3rd, this one. So this one I'm hoping on. And I've registered already, so because if you don't have that one, I will send you the link on WhatsApp for the meeting. Or did you register? Oh, I just saw the message now. I just saw the message just dropped now. The message just dropped now. New dates. This is it. Okay. It's all right. So let me just try this one and see. Right. NEPA people. Okay, I've done my own, so it's just for me to enter. That's all. So I have it here. Okay, so how is your sister? How is she? Hope she's making progress on her YouTube. I made a video that I traveled from Lagos to Benue. I used night bus. So 3 days ago, and the video is making sense. People are watching it, and I'm so super happy to see people watching the video. Oh, it was so scary, but I needed to just let me have the experience and see how it is. And the road was quiet. The only thing you could see that you see all those Fulani people. They were at that time around 2 a.m. They were still in the bush. Okay, they were still in the bush with their cattle and all of that. I was saying to my, when you want to go during daytime and traffic and so many things. Well, thank God, I traveled and then I came back. I'm here, so it was scary, but we did it. Okay, but I will not try it again. But well, let's see how it goes. I was thinking even if I'm going back, I will still try it again and then see how it is. Because what I wanted is that by the time I wake up, at least I should be close to my state. So when it happens, we got to Asaba around 4 a.m. We crossed Onitsha Bridge around 5. I think around 5. Then started coming to Enugu. But I did it though. If you watch my video, you see I did it. Now, funny enough, there's this woman that was with twins. She was with twins, infants. I think they were not up to 6 months. I think they were not up to 6 months. The woman was there in the bus with us. I was like, why would the husband allow the wife to carry those little babies? Like I think they were 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. Yeah, I think they were 6 months. And she was there. And those children, they did not even cry. Oh. We were thinking that maybe by the time we start going, they will start crying and all of that. But they did not cry. They were just there watching us. They were just playing with everybody. So a lot of people took the risk. But not in this life here, you must take one risk that you can talk about it in your life. But one thing I appreciate our Nigerian police and even the military, all of them, they were on the road. Me, I don't know for how. Maybe it's because of money, sharp. I don't know. Maybe it's because of money. We were all on the road, and they were doing a great job. They were there throughout. So that was the experience. So, but please, when I come back, maybe we'll do a video together, or we can organize a live video like this. Invite you. You too. You can organize and then invite me, and then we'll talk about something about YouTube. And then, if you have a topic, you give me. That will talk. I'll be your guest. If I have a topic, I'll give you, and you'll be my guest. But we can still plan towards it. Funny enough, I did not even video her. I would have videoed her, but in the part of my video, I heard the baby. I was playing with the baby. The baby was playing with me too. But thank God for Johnny Mercy. It was great. Pam pam. Thank you, everybody. Kaje edit vena hanga.
Thumbnail, YouTube, yes.
All right, so thank you so much. Thank you for your time. And at this point, this is where I will draw the curtain of this program. Like they said, yeah, at this point, this is where I will draw the curtain of this program. And yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, Chinwe Gloria, madam. Thank you so much for supporting me. This, my friend, is a new YouTuber. He's an upcoming YouTuber. You know, Mr. Aka Kete. Maybe when you see his face now, you say, oh, I know this face. So he's upcoming. And we wish him all the best in his YouTube journey. Bye-bye, guys.